Are you looking to launch a successful gaming reward platform? Look no further. Our PlayPoint is the perfect solution for developers and entrepreneurs who want to create an engaging, profitable, and user-friendly gaming experience. Available in both web and app formats, it ensures you can reach users wherever they are. Key features: daily bonus and missions. User engagement. Keep users coming back daily with exciting bonuses and missions. Reward system. Easily customizable reward tiers to keep players motivated and engaged. Spin wheel. Interactive fun. An engaging way for users to try their luck and win rewards. Play games and earn coins. Variety of games. Add any HTML5 games you like. Earn as you play. Users earn coins by playing, increasing retention and engagement. Scratch and earn. Instant rewards. Users can scratch cards to reveal instant prizes, adding an element of surprise and excitement. Offerwalls, monetization, earn revenue through third-party offers and surveys. Users earn coins for completing offers, boosting platform activity. Play tournaments, competitive gaming. Organize tournaments to engage users in competitive gameplay. Reward system, offer attractive rewards to winners, enhancing user participation. Visit and earn. Increase traffic to partner sites with visit and earn features. Users earn coins by visiting sites, encouraging frequent platform use. Refer tasks. Users can refer friends and earn rewards, driving organic growth. Incentive system. Customize referral rewards to maximize user acquisition. Cross-platform integration. Available in both web and app formats to maximize your user base and engagement. Get started today. Contact us now to learn more and get your hands on the PlayPoint.
codesellmarket.com. Your vision, our tech.